After moving to Tokyo in 2006, my poor Japanese speaking skills were affecting my life. Even ordering coffee was difficult. I decided to start Japanese lessons at the city community center. This had some positive effects. The lessons were not expensive. I made new friends and, of course, I could now communicate with the people around me. The English words affect and effect are easy to confuse. Their spellings are similar, and their meanings both relate to change. Here's a quick explanation. Affect is most often used as a verb that means to produce a change in somebody or something. To influence.
Not getting enough sleep can affect your mood and make you feel grumpy.
Affect is most often used as a noun that means a change that somebody or something causes in somebody or something else. A result.
Every cause has an effect.
It's raining. A cause. So, Jennifer is putting on her rain boots. Result.
Keep watching for lots of real examples. Affect. Verb. To produce a change in somebody or something.
Coastal towns were the most affected by the tsunami.
The verb affect is commonly used with adverbs like greatly or dramatically.
Wildlife in that area was greatly affected by the heavy rain and flooding.
Affect. Noun. A change that somebody or something causes in somebody or something else. A result.
Regular exercise has many positive effects on your health and well-being.
The noun affect is commonly used with adjectives like dramatic or far-reaching.
The president's decision will have a far-reaching effect on the country's economy.
More examples with the verb affect.
How will the new rules affect you? Island countries like Australia will be the worst affected by global warming. Shorter days during the winter can affect people's moods.
Did you know? SAD is an acronym for Seasonal Affective Disorder. People feel blue during the fall and winter when there is less sunlight. More examples with the noun affect.
The president's new policy will have a long-term effect. My friend says his new low-carb diet is having a positive effect on his health. Many believe the new tax law will have a positive effect on the economy.
Visit the blog post that supports this video and learn a few tricks for choosing the correct word and a bonus vocabulary challenge just for you. You'll find a link in the description.